Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat not being zoomed in. Now first of all, open your mobile phone and open your Snapchat application, and after that, as you can see, my Snapchat application is open and your camera will be opened up first. Now to zoom in on your Snapchat, as you can see, you just need your two fingers on the mobile phone screen and pins out, and as you can see, my camera has zoomed in. And if you pinch in again, then you'll zoom out. Now if your camera zoomed in is not working, then your Snapchat application is not on the latest update. Now to check if your Snapchat is on the latest update or not, go to Play Store or go to App Store and type in Snapchat on the search bar. After you have searched Snapchat, open it and check if it is on the latest version. As you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest version, because instead of open there will be update button, and after if you hit update, and it will be on the latest version and you'll see the open button. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.